Hello, welcome to part 7 of the Snake game on Java tutorial. Right, for the last video we learned about the movement of the snake and the controlling of the snake. Alright, so for this video I will update the controlling of the game. So I will run in the project and show you some problems. Right. So here we have the snake, and we can change in the direction. It's in normal direction changing, but if I change the direction to the right here, so as you can see, this movement is invalid for the game, so need to prevent it. Alright, to do this we will change this something here. We check if the direction is already up. We will change it. We'll check if we type the direction equal up, if direction equal down, direction down, different, sorry, if the direction not is down, so you can change it. Alright, and the same here. If the direction is if we press down, so direction need to different with the up upper. Alright, also here not the right, and for here not the left. Alright, so let's run it. So for the direction is left, if I press the right, so nothing happen. So if the direction is up and I press the down, nothing. And for right and I press the left, nothing happen. And the last one, the direction is down, I press up. Alright, so this is very simple checking, but if I do something like this, if the direction is up and I can change it to down, but if I quickly press the direction to right and then I press the direction to down, so what happened? Alright, so the snake is going up. I will press left and quickly right down. Right, it's not quickly. It's not quick. Alright, so you can see it. Alright, you can see. So the check-ins is not enough for this case. So we need to upgrade the direction. So now we will use a list of direction. So for here, instead of using simple direction, we will use a linked list direction. right? And for here, direction equal new linked list direction, and add the first one. Sorry, add the first one is the direction up. All right. So for here, for the direction, I will direction equal direction pick first. Yes, and for the update, I will get the direction equal direction pick, sorry, direction pick first. Alright, and here we'll just give her the pick first here and go to the board panel. Right, not a board panel. Oh, yes, we need to go to the snake. Sorry, the board. Oh, what happened here? Direction. Did you get? Oh, sorry. Because we returned the first direction, so we don't need to change something. Alright, so let's run it. Alright, so I can change it the direction. So why? Because I just add the only one the direction here, and for here I don't add any more direction. So for this I need to add the direction to the left here. We need to add to the list instead of send value. And go to the update. After we pick the first here, we need to call the pawn. Alright, so if we call the pawn, the first element will be removed. Alright, so because every update we remove the first direction on the direction, so we need to check if the direction size bigger than 1, so we will remove it. Right, so let's run it again. Alright, so you can see here, so if I alright, so the problem is solved. So now I will explain to you something by drawing on pen. So we use a list list of direction here. When the first time I put the up, and then maybe I put right and put the down. So every time I update the game, I pick the first one and then I remove it. So if the list is the list size is bigger than 1, so I will remove it. But if the list just has one element, so I need to keep it, because every update I need it. I need to pick the direction to update the snake. So it's very important. I need to keep the 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 direction, just one direction in the list. So for every update I can get the direction and then update the snake. Alright, so every time you press the control button like up, down, right, left, so you add the direction to the direction list, so we can get the next the direction and when we update the snake. And so far, for the last direction, after we the remove the previous direction before here, maybe this first two here, so we keep the last direction is down, right? So the down direction is keeping, and the snake will go into go to down. Alright, it's very easy. And the last one, for the egg direction, we need to prevent the alright we prevent the right. And if direction equal different with the direction up, right? So if the direction is up, we don't need to set the direction. We don't need to add more direction up to the list. It's not necessary. Okay, so it's also on the direction here. Also with the down, and also with the left, and also with the right. Okay, and let's run it. Right. Alright, it's down and right. Oh, I'm sorry. For here, we need to pick last, right? And for this, we need to use the and condition, right? So why we need to pick the last? So here we have the last element for direction. So we need to check the last direction to make sure it's different with the previous direction. So here we need to make sure it's different with down or different with up. So because down and up, because up is the invalid direction and the down is not necessary. Alright, and for the last one we need to check the, so I will show you. Alright, so if I if I alright alright now if I quickly press many keys and so far the list of the direction is too much, so I need to limit the list of direction to make sure the control is better, is good. Right, for do that we need to define a stated long mask direction equal 3, and we will check it from here. If the direction size less than the mark direction, so we will add more. If not, we will not add more direction to the list. Easy, huh? I need to add this limited to make sure the game is easy control after type in many. Sometimes it will be make a bug in the game, so it's very not good for the game. Right, let's run it. So now the game is good. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.